Hello everyone, I'm Slender9 at Gigsha, and in this video, this is just a sort of update thing. Some things I fixed that might make the game a little bit better. So the first thing was the pickup spawner. What I did was I made it where only one item spawns at a time, okay? Again, you don't have to do this. I just did this because I found out that for some reason, whenever the items get spawned, they all like to stay in the same area. So I'm just gonna make it one at a time, maybe to help fix that a little bit. So what I did was I made a new variable under Slender GM called pickup grabbed. In our pickups, I made it where whenever you pick it up, you set the pickup grab to be true. And with the pickup spawner, we have we have a sequence right here that goes into a do once node. So it only spawns once. The do once has to be closed. Actually, no, I lied. Because we want it to spawn. So yeah, do once stays open. We want it to spawn in at the first time, and then it's going to test to see if you grab the pickup. If not, then it's not going to spawn another one. And then when it does spawn it, we're going to set pickup grab to be false, because that means that we had grabbed it and we need to spawn another one, and it won't be grabbed, if that makes sense. That's just what I did, and I can't remember if I changed anything. I made the enemy slower, so before it used to be his speed's increased by 80, but now it's only increased by 60. I think that's everything that I changed. Alright, so another thing I did was I added point lights all around the pickup, just so it's easy to spot. And you'll see when we picked one, we have a thing at the bottom that tells us what button to press. That's just creating a widget. And yeah, this is what I was talking about. They like to spawn like on top of each other, and I'm not entirely sure why. I'll try and think of a fix for it. Just not really sure what would be causing it. But other than that, that's like everything for this. I just wanted to show off some of the things that I did. Some things for the future that I would like to work on in the tutorials is models. So, import and custom models and animations, as well as death and win, and maybe a main menu. And that's going to be pretty much it for the series, I think. I will also give away this template for free, maybe. Probably. That seems like a good thing to do. I could put it on the Epic store as just a, Slenderman template type thing, or whatever you want to call this. It's like a Slender inspired game. Yeah, this is another issue that we need to fix, is sometimes they spawn under the map and you can't grab them. So those are things that I'm going to be working on fixing. So if I don't make any other videos, then please just be patient. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye. Alright, so I went back and watched my old series. This one, the last episode. What you want to do is you want to get the origin of the nav mesh volume, which is this one. So we're just going to in our pickup spawner, we're going to create a new variable, and we're just going to call this nav mesh origin vector, and then we're going to copy and paste in the coordinates. So it's going to change obviously from mine to yours. So just copy in the XYZ and then plug that in, and now it should work, because I think what was happening before is it was getting the Z value of the spawner, which is right here, and in some parts of the map that's underground. So I think that might fix it. I'm gonna do a quick test. Uh, but apparently it worked in the old series. So yeah, just make that change and hopefully things won't spawn under the map anymore.